Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how document level discount in Tally integration works. As you're aware that you can add the multiple discounts in your documents. So for example, I have already created a tax invoice which includes a multiple discounts like discount 1 and discount 2. Earlier, we have an option of moving a discount amount along with the item segment during the tally integration. But now we have brought a accounting rules where you can move your discounts which are present in the document as a separate ledger. So I'll show you how it works. So you can go to all modules, accounting integration. So under accounting rules, you can select general rules. So here you can see on the first rule as show document level discount separately. You can edit the value as yes means yes and you can save it. So whenever you move your bills from transact to tally, which includes discount amount, will separately move under discount ledger. So before moving the discount amount separately, make sure you need to create a separate ledger both in transact and tally. So to create a ledger settings, you can go to ledger setting, other ledger output, other discount ledgers, and I have added one discount ledger as output discount for sales. So now I'll show you how it works in document approval. So you can go to document approval. So this is the invoice which I have created. I'm selecting that and view selected invoice. So here you can see this is the item name, and here you can see a separate ledger for discounts. So which we have created. So you can map the ledger as output ledger, which we have created in ledger settings, and you can approve the doc. You can approve and you can submit this document. This is how the document level discount in Tally integration works. I hope this video finds helpful for you. Thank you.